Hello and very warm welcome to Raflims. This is Farooq Hussain. In this hands-on video tutorial, we will learn how we can improve our spoken English with ChatGPT. Yes, now we can talk to ChatGPT and we can improve our spoken English along with written English. English is the most important language. It is the international language. And what is the value of English in the career of a librarian? So, let's start this video. There you can see my mobile on the screen, and you need to install this app. And this chat gpt app is from OpenAI. As you can see this, you need to install this, and let me update my app right now. So it's maybe in pending, and it has start working. So it will take few time. Actually, I'm going to update this, and then I'll show you how you can actually talk with ChatGPT. And not only English, but you can actually practice any language with ChatGPT. So it's so exciting. Now the technology, I mean, it's actually providing the ways, and these are actually free tools, and we can use to improve our skills. So let me open this now. And there you need to set something like my account. I already log in here, and at the first time you have to log in with your account, or you can create your account. There you can see this is the free subscription, and you can select the theme. You can select the speech, like voice, what voice you are selecting to conversate.
Hey there! I've got a really great feeling about us teaming up. How can I jump in and help?
Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you, and I can't wait to get started. So what's the game plan?
Well, hello. I'm really excited about teaming up with you, and I'm all set to dive in. So how can I make your life easier?
Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground running. So if there's anything you'd like me to focus on first, just let me know.
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going? I'm really looking forward to...
Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground running.
I think Amber is good, or auto detect mode for the language, or you can select any other language you would like to, but I just use auto detect, and nothing more. Now what actually you need to do, you can conversate like written conversation, whatever you want to know, or you need to click here this headphone, and you can communicate with ChatGPT.
Yes, you can communicate with me through your phone. Just speak your questions or messages, and I'll respond.
Yeah, actually I am little weak in English, spoken English, so could you help me to talk few things of your interest?
Of course, we can talk about anything you're interested in. What topics do you want to discuss?
Well, I am a librarian, so you can talk me about anything that you want to.
That's great. Since you're a librarian, let's talk about books. Do you have any favorite genres or authors?
Not really.
That's okay. How about I recommend some popular books? We can explore different genres and see if anything catches your interest.
Yeah, actually I am interested in library technology, library systems, and
Library
digital.
technology is a fascinating topic. There are many innovative tools and systems that libraries use to organize, manage, and provide access to information. Are there any specific aspects of library technology you're curious about?
Yeah, actually, open source technology.
Open source technology plays a significant role in libraries, offering cost effective solutions and fostering collaboration among institutions. Have you explored any specific open source software or projects in your library?
Uh, yes, one of them like Koha library system and the D space. So I have work on that. I mean those system.
That's great. Koha, the corpus of historic and DSpace are both valuable open source systems used in libraries. Koha provides access to a large collection of historical American English texts, while DSpace is a digital repository platform for managing and preserving digital content.
Yeah,
How has your experience been working with these systems?
Koha is actually integrated library management system. So we actually use it to manage a library and multiple branches, and of course DSpace is a digital repository platform, and it's wonderful.
Thanks for clarifying. Koha as an integrated library management system sounds like a powerful tool for managing library operations across multiple branches. And it's great to hear that you find DSpace wonderful for digital repository needs. Have you encountered any specific challenges or successes while implementing these systems?
Not really, but don't you know about Koha?
I'm not familiar with Koha specifically. Could you please provide more context or details about it?
Maybe I'm wrong in pronunciation. It's spelled Koha.
Now I understand. Koha is an open source integrated library system, ILS, that's widely used in libraries worldwide. It provides features for cataloging, circulation, patron management, and more. It's known for its flexibility and customizability. Have you had any experience with Koha in your library?
Yeah, I have implemented Koha in some of the institutions, not only in Pakistan but around the world.
That's impressive. Implementing Koha in various institutions around the world must have been quite an accomplishment. It's wonderful to hear about your contributions to improving library technology globally.
Yeah.
If you have any questions about Koha or any other library technology, feel free to ask.
Yeah, you can actually provide me some feedback on my English, how I am speaking English. I'm not so good in English.
Sure, I'd be happy to provide feedback on your English. From our conversation, it seems like you have a good grasp of the language. Your sentences are clear and easy to understand. If you'd like, I can offer some tips for improvement, or we can continue practicing conversation in English together.
Yeah, we will continue practicing in English conversation.
That sounds like a great plan. Practice makes perfect, and I'm here to help. If there's anything specific you want to work on or discuss, just let me know. We can cover a variety of topics to help you feel more comfortable speaking English.
Well, thank you for now. We will talk tomorrow.
I'll be here whenever you're ready to practice English conversation again. Have a great day and talk to you soon.
And there you can see the what we have discussed in written, and this will save on your screen. So there you can see in history whatever we have discussed today, all the conversation here. And not only this, you can improve any other language you would like to, like Urdu or any other language like Chinese or whatever you want to talk. So this way you can now communicate with ChatGPT. I hope you like the video. This is actually I'm introducing technology. Those can help you in your professional life. So thank you very much for watching Raflims. This is Farooq Hussain.